on the earth, already on the earth. So what we are again discussing for the earthing or for the grounding. So what is the earthing and why the earthing is important? Correct, correct. Priyadarsan, you're 100% correct. And now it's okay now, Priyadarsan. So
Earthing is only done to save for safety of people or persons
yeah,
who are working in substations or working with electrical equipment.
yeah, okay. Acting for the safety, that is the point. Yeah. Any other reply?
And sir, also earthing is done for safety of machinery equipment also. We're putting these equipment to ground or connecting to ground to save the equipment also.
Yeah, okay. So let me take up the why I'm telling that why earth, what is the earthing and why earth is required. So the electrical equipment is standing on its foundation, so it's already on the earth. So what we are talking for the earthing, so the connection of the outer enclosure metal, this outer enclosure metal body. So this any electrical equipment have the three parts: the innermost inner conductor, then the outer enclosure metal body, and between the inner conductor and the outer enclosure metal body, there is an insulation. So conductor, insulation, and outer body. These three by three component we make any electrical equipment. So why earthing I'm trying to say. So but if there any fault occurs inside the conductor, or if there is any insulation is weak due to the weak insulation material or due to the aging factor, so there is a chance current will flow from the inner conductor to the outer enclosure of the equipments. And since this fault is occurring inside the equipment, so we cannot see from outside that whether the conductor or the insulation is faulty or not faulty. So if we are coming on the close touch of that electrical equipment, and when the fault the current is flowing on the outer enclosure of the equipment, then the outer enclosure potential will be high of that equipment, and when we are coming on the touch, so there's a chance to flow the current through the human body. So to avoid that conditions, we uh, connect this electrical equipment to the earth, and by ensuring and we ensure that this earthing connections resistivity should be very less, or at least should be zero, so that the current or the leakage current should uh, only divert to the earth point. Right now, Sami? Yeah, I'm trying to
Yes.
take basic only from the scratch. Today we are discussing with the, we know that from the basics we are trying to take up for this. Venkat, right? Sahu, agree?
Yes, sir. I'm listening. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Any yours opinions? If anyone have the opinion that why earthing?
Sir, I think it is a low resistive path provided for leakage current actually to safeguard the people working on that equipment. And moreover, it also helps to safeguard the
So
equipment also.
correct, correct. And see, this meeting will end in the 10 minutes. So you all again just put the meeting ID and again join the meeting.